Welcome to Convolution Educare. In this video, we'll discuss all details about the shortcut keys of computer. In examination, we face different questions regarding the shortcut keys for competitive examination in government or banking sector or government contractual job. So, in this video, we discuss all details about the important shortcut keys of computer. Go through this video so that you can prepare properly for this government jobs. Now the question is, what are the basic things? We will discuss all the basic and important shortcut keys, because there are huge of lots of shortcut keys. In among them, which are important, which is not important, that is the matter of discussion. So we will discuss the important shortcut keys. Be with the video till the end and make your career successful. Now we are going to discuss the basic shortcut keys of computer, which we mostly use and important for examinations. Now the shortcut keys are very important. We face in interview question on written examination as well as face to face interview. So be with this part 1. First one, Control C, copy selected text or item. We use Control C to select a particular portion of text to copy. Next, Control X, it is cut option. When we put Control X, a portion, the selected portion will be deleted and will be ready for next addition on the clipboard. Next, Control B, it will the paste. After copy, if we want to paste something, then we use this paste, copied or cut item. That is, you can copy and you can cut to get the utilization of this paste option. Next, Control Z, undo the last action. Whatever action you have performed, to make it undo, you can go for this Control plus Z key. Next, Control plus Y, redo the last undo action. Redo the action of the last undo, you can use Control Y. Next, Control A, select all. Control S, to save we use Control S. Control P, to print something, the current documents, we use Control P. Alt plus tab, switch between open application. If you want to switch between open application, we can use Control Alt plus tab. Next, Windows plus D. If you press Windows plus D, then show hide the desktop. We can show or hide the desktop. If we press Control plus 4, F4, close the active window or applications. Windows plus L. If we want to lock the window, we can press Windows plus L. If we want to open Task Manager, we can press Control Shift Escape. If we press Windows plus Z, open a new file, open File Explorer. File Explorer will be opened using Windows plus E. If we press Windows plus R, open the Run dialog box. Open to run the dialog box. Next, Windows plus I, open the setting. Control plus N, this is Microsoft Word related, create a new document. If I want to create a new document, you have to press Control plus N. Control plus V, if I want to bold the content, then selected text, then we can use Control plus V. Control plus U, if I want to underline some text, then we can use Control plus U. Next, Control plus L, italics, to make italics of selected text. Control plus home, if we press Control plus home, move to the beginning of the document. It will be moved to the beginning of the document. Next, Control plus N, move to the end of the document. When we press Control plus N, it will be moved to the end of the documents. Control plus F, if we press Control and F simultaneously, find text within the documents. We can find out the text within the documents. Next, Control plus H, if we put Control plus H simultaneously, replace text within the documents. Next, F2, if we press F2, what happens? Edit the active cell. It is related to Excel. Which is, if we press F2, we can edit the active cell. If we press Control plus arrow, move to the edge to the data region, that is related to Microsoft Excel. Next, if we put Control plus C plus plus, Then it perform insert new cells, rows or columns. So if we want to insert new cells, rows or columns, we have to press Control Shift and plus button simultaneously. Next, Control plus hyphen delete selected cells, rows or columns in the Excel. Next, Control plus semicolon, that is insert current date. If you want to insert current date, hold with a shortcut Control plus semicolon. Next, Control plus Shift plus, that is insert current time. If you want to insert current time, then we can do this function. Next, Control plus page up or down, then switch between worksheet tabs. If we want to switch between worksheet tabs, then you have to press Control page up or page down. Now this is the shortcuts related to web browser. Control plus T, open a new tab. Control plus W, close the current tab. Control plus Shift plus T, reopen the last closed tab. F5, refresh the current page. Control plus D, bookmark the current page. This is all related to web browser. Now you see, I have already mentioned there are lots of shortcut keys, but among them, what you learn and what you keep in mind, that is important. So I just find out the important shortcut keys that is related to examination. So this is the total thing I want to discuss in this video. So if you want to score well in computer awareness part in government, contractual or government jobs, you must go through these shortcuts. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for further resources and further benefits.